Hey friends, welcome back. It's Mr. L on another episode of Monkey Doodle. Today we're going to do a lion character from the game Suspects. All right, we're going to start with the big Sharpie. We're going to start over here with a curve that goes up. And we're going to do a slight curve across. We're going to come down and slightly in. Stop about there. And then we're going to go out for the ear. It's going to be almost like a trapezoid rectangle shape. Slightly up, down, and slightly in. All right. Now from this side, we're going to go down and in to close the head shape. Slightly out and down. Going to go across. We're going to go up with an angled line, down, and back to connect to that ear line right there. All right, this is the shape of our lion friend's head. All right, hope you guys are doing well. This is going to be awesome. All right, we're going to put a little line here to close the ear. Awesome. And we're going to put a little ear sticking out on this side, okay? It's going to come out just out from this area below where that pointy part comes in. And in. All right. We are doing the lion, the brave lion from Among Us. I'm sorry, from Suspects. All right, so many games out there that happens once in a while. All right, guys, that's the head shape. We're going to do the inner head. We're going to come down with a line that's sort of like a V. Comes in here, and then from the middle out this way. All right, slightly above the ear. Going to go down with a line this way, like angled out. We're going to go out with a line down here. We'll bring this one down a little bit more. Actually, let me switch my Sharpie real quick. Bring this one down a little bit more and go in and down. I think we'll bring that down a little bit more too. Okay. And this one's going to go in as well. Not as much. I'm going to go outward a little bit. Maybe a little bit lower. Okay. A little bit lower on this guy here too. Now that I look at it, and we're going to connect them across with a slight curve. All right. Awesome. Now we're going to do eyes for our lion friend. It's going to be two little dark ovals just above these two spots. All right, I'll leave a little tiny sliver of a highlight in there. This one will be a little bit bigger. Okay, tiny sliver of a highlight in there. We are getting places now, guys. This is awesome. All right, now we need the body. The body obviously is going to be right here. We're going to come down with a curvy line. Make it a little bit thicker. All right, stops there. And then we're going to put like an oval shape here. All right, and that's for his front foot. We're going to go up from here. Let's see. Okay. I'm going to put part of an oval that comes out on this side and bumps into that. Okay. I like that. You guys are doing great. You guys are the best Monkey Doodle fans ever. And again, thank you for subscribing. And if you haven't, please do. Our channel's growing and Babby is going bananas. All right, let's do a tail. Tail comes straight out this way. All right. And right from here, another line. And it's going to be like a flame type shape, almost like a paintbrush right there. Pretty cool, right? Awesome. Let's give this guy a nose, and then we're almost ready to color. The nose is like a short triangle shape. We're going to go high and across. And down with 2 lines. All right. That's decent enough. All right, guys, let's get ready to hyperspace color. Let's go.
Babby Doodle!